Who doesn't love a great cup of coffee to get their morning started? Hey guys, welcome to Sam 610. So I just want to stress how important it is that you guys are checking your comments on your channel. Not only will it show that you're engaging in their content, but it will also help possibly push your channel through the YouTube algorithm. You want to think of yourself as a customer service representative that's representing something, and that being your YouTube channel, your brand. If I don't even get to reply to all of my YouTube comments, I'll at least give you a like and a heart. And in some cases, if I find the comment to be worthy of pinning, I will also pin the comment, which could be good for that viewer, whether you're a new viewer or a current viewer, for somebody to go through and check out your YouTube channel and your videos if they see that my video or anybody's video is driving thousands and thousands of views or even hundreds of views. It could lead to a possible, sub on your own channel. So pinning comments could be very useful to helping your channel grow as well. I go through some of the other, YouTubers that I'm subscribed to, and a lot of times they won't even reply to your YouTube comments, which makes me think that they don't care. They're just there to make the money. They're there just to push out as many videos as they can, and they don't show the engagement to their subscribers, to their viewers, whether they're, current viewers or they're new viewers. It's important you show this engagement. I mean, even if I had 10,000 to 20,000 subscribers on my channel, I would still make an effort to go through, each day the comments on my channel. It's very important, guys. And I wanted to share this with you guys because, again, I want to help you guys grow. Even if you have more subscribers than I do, or even more views than I do, it doesn't matter. Just show that you care and, stay engaged, with your viewers. Again, it's important, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my little B-roll in the beginning of the video. I wanted to do something a little different. I'm really getting into that part of filming. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, later.